Using your Uber credit is a straightforward process that can help you save money on your next ride. To get started, make sure you have an active Uber account and that you have a credit balance available. First, open the Uber app on your smartphone and set your pickup and drop-off locations as you normally would. Once you have entered your locations, you will see the estimated fare for your trip. Next, tap on the payment method section, which is usually located below the estimated fare. Here, you will see a list of available payment methods, including any Uber credits you may have. If you have an available credit balance, it will be displayed in this section. To apply your Uber credit to your trip, simply select the credit as your payment method. The app will automatically deduct the credit amount from your total fare, and you will only be charged for any remaining balance. For example, if your trip costs $20 and you have $10 in Uber credits, selecting the credit as your payment method will reduce your fare to $10. You can then choose to pay the remaining balance using a credit card, debit card, or other accepted payment method. It is worth noting that Uber credits can only be used for rides and cannot be transferred to other users or converted to cash. Additionally, credits are usually subject to expiration dates, so be sure to use them before they expire. In summary, using your Uber credit is a simple process that can help you save money on your next ride. By following these steps and understanding how to apply your credits, you can make the most of your Uber account and enjoy a more affordable and convenient ride.